You may have seen our earlier video featuring the Ylangu auto dolly. What we wanted to do with that was create something that we could take out in the field and use in a similar way to the way we use it at home. What we ended up with was a motorised slider. There are three components to this. One is the auto dolly itself. The other is a manual slider that we've converted to be able to take the auto dolly. And the other thing is a head adapter to allow the camera to be positioned at a number of different angles very securely on the dolly. This setup is actually more versatile than just having a motorised slider, because the auto dolly can be removed from the slider and used on any flat surface. The slider has mounting points at both ends and also a central one, so you can use either one or two tripods to set it up. Generally we find it's best to use a tripod at each end because that gives it much greater stability. The results we're getting from this setup are excellent. Beautiful smooth footage that you really can't get with any other method. Unfortunately, the slider we got wasn't quite wide enough to accommodate the Ylangu dolly. What we had to do was secure a piece of plastic to the top that was 100mm wide. This allows the dolly to run securely along the top of the platform. Down each edge of the platform we've put a strip of self-adhesive sandpaper. This stops the dolly from slipping if the platform is used on an angle. The slider also came with a padded cover that helps to protect it when you're moving it around. Thanks to our modification, the zip doesn't quite close anymore, but it's quite good enough for its purpose.